Hello everyone, welcome to Inside School Vlog. Today I'll be showing you how to link your MTN line to your national identification number, popularly known as NIN. You're going to see the step-by-step process involved. You recall that the federal government has really made it mandatory that all SIMs in the country should be linked with the national identification number, which is a new step in the security section in the country. So I'll be showing the step-by-step process without wasting much of the time. Let's go. Before I proceed, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to know when we drop each videos like this, and click the notification bell to be the first to know as well. So let's go. This process is very simple and it's not really difficult to do. And just come to our website. We actually prepared a well-detailed guide that will help you. In case you're not the type that like watching videos on our website on insideschool.com.ng, and we actually prepared the words together that says how to link NIN to all SIMs. Okay, so what you just do is just go down, you can click the page menu and the page category content, and click for NIN. So this is how to link NIN to MTN line. So to link your national identification number with your MTN Sim, you can follow the instruction. So if you don't know your number, you don't know it off heart, you can dial this code to get it. It's gonna cost you 20 naira, and process very simple. So what you do now is just to visit this link, click the link, it's gonna open. It says submit your NIN details, yellow. Now, it's a very simple process. I said to link your national identification number with your SIM registration data, please submit your NIN and your phone number below. Note that NIN submitted here will be received and as unverified pending the validation against the NIMC database. This means you might be required to revalidate this information in person in the future. Now, there are frequently asked questions here. So in case you want to know what this process is all about, you want to know what it means on the MTN website, I think there's a deadline for this. The deadline, actually, what the government said was 30th of December, which is okay. It's a very simple process. Most of these organizations have actually made it very simple. So what you do now is just to enter your 11 digits national identity number. So it's minus this. So when you receive the OTP, you're going to enter it on this space bar. Submit. Now it says to capture customer NIN details. Your submission has been received. Thank you. So that's all to it. It's a very simple process. I hope this information helps someone out there. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell, and you can actually share it to people out there who need this information. Thank you very much. Have a good day.